Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earphone to our Redmi phone. Friends, you have this neckband earphone and friends you have paired in your phone and friends you want to unpair guys. So when how to unpair today I will show you in this video guys. Before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. Then guys scroll it. As you can see guys your Bluetooth setting. So once click on your phone Bluetooth setting. As you can see we have paired this Ubon CL company earphone. Friends we want to unpair, so right side tap here and friends you can see your use for phone audio and media. So when you can on and off from here guys, and as you can see unpair option guys, tap here to unpair. It will unpair guys, you cannot use guys. If you use so you will have to pair again guys. You can see this notification, you will have to click. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth earphone to your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.